got crafting flowers we're going to use, and petals, as well as a small basket. So today we're just going to use the lavender and the yellow flowers. We're also going to use them in the petals as well. These are our petals. That's the yellow and the lavender. And these are our crafting flowers, the lavender and the yellow crafting flower. And I'm going to show you what method we're going to use in designing our flowers today for our basket. It takes time to do this project, so we're going to do our crafting flower. Take our toothpick, lay the tip of our flower across the top, and we're going to roll it down. Take it across the top and roll it down. Lay it across the top of your toothpick, hold it down, and roll it down. So we're going to do this all the way around our crafting flower to create our flower today. The method we're going to use today is just to curl it across the top of the toothpick just one time. Just curl it across. And we're going to do that all the way around one of our petals. So what we're going to create is we're going to create the looks I showed you before. We're going to create this look. Our crafting flower curled all the way around. And we're going to create this look with just the tips curled. All right, here's all our crafting flowers ready to go onto our basket. Here's another way that you can do these colors. Alternating in between, you can glue a flower just like this and add a petal to the center of it. And the petal can be one single petal, or you can put two petals in there like that. Then you have a different kind of flower. A small dab of hot glue and put it there. I'm going to take our flat ones and put it on there. Okay, we're going to go all the way around and add our flowers. Single petals. First, on the handle, leaving room in the middle. We're going to add an alternating petal in there. And to add that alternating petal, we're going to use the clear glue. Okay. Stick that all the way around. Go all the way around our band. Excuse me, handle. Guess what? I decided I do want to put that center in the center of my flowers going across my band. So I'm going to put a dab of glue in the center of this petal. Small dab. Again, alternating my petals. This is lavender, so I'm going to put it in the center of my flower that has the yellow on top. Oops. Alrighty. I created that. I'm going to do it all the way around. Here's the finished basket. You can use this basket for Easter. You can put it in your bathroom and put soaps in it. it's got a lot of different uses that you can use it for. I added some ribbon and I added some tooling.